everybody, you're so much welcome to my channel again, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Akech Joy Winnie. Have a seat, feel at home. In today's video we are going to be doing a day in life of a fashion model living in New York. So let us get this video started already. So every morning I love to have like a devotion to just get my positive energy going. I have my Bible and then my book that I try to read things that have moved me, and then I have my iPad to just play some music. The Lord is my strength and my song, He has become my salvation. Glad songs of salvation. Out of my distress I called on the Lord, and the Lord answered me and set me free. The Lord is on my side, I will not fear. What can man do to me? The Lord is on my side as my helper. I shall not look in triumph on those who hate me. Period. Let's go do my skincare routine. Makeup done, and since I'm a lazy bone when it comes to exercising, this is what I do for exercise. It's time for dancing. You're welcome. Hello people, so I came back from the laundromat earlier on already and I forgot to vlog. I already made dinner. I already ate. My tummy is so happy. And now we're going for a walk. I'm almost coming like to the end of the day, basically. Yeah. So maybe next time I'll vlog what I eat in a day, because I kept eating but I didn't vlog. Let's go together. Let's go. Sometimes I like to sit by here and wonder if life was as beautiful as this city is, you know. Sometimes life is not as beautiful though as the city is. Behold, there are some lovers.
Hey everybody, that marks the end of the day in my life vlog. Hope you enjoyed and had fun with me, and don't forget to like, share, and also drop a comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much.